I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp web phone not connected. So basically what this problem is like, basically if you want to log into your WhatsApp desktop, then you need to scan your QR code using your WhatsApp on your phone. And sometimes it does does not connect even though you scan the QR code from your phone. So there are some basic mistakes you guys perform when you do this stuff, so you guys are not able to connect. So the first thing is make sure your internet connection is strong. Like if your internet connection is weak, then like you won't be able to log into your WhatsApp. For WhatsApp to verify like the device you're trying to log in is your device, it's gonna scan the QR code and it's gonna send the message to WhatsApp server, and then WhatsApp server is gonna confirm it and then send it to your desktop, then confirm it. But if your Wi-Fi is slow, then this process can take a long time and you won't be able to log into your WhatsApp device on your computer. And the other thing is like if you close your WhatsApp really quickly after you scan your QR code. So basically, let me show you. You click on this three dot and click on WhatsApp web. Now you can scan the QR code. Click on OK. Now it's gonna search for the QR code. Now as soon as you scan this QR code, if you close your device like this, like close your WhatsApp from here, then it won't connect sometime, because like when you close your WhatsApp device from here, then it's gonna stop using the internet from your mobile device because you close the application and the application is not in use, and sometimes it takes a bit of time. So like when you're scanning the QR code, like after you scan the QR code, like don't close your WhatsApp immediately. Wait for like 5 minutes. You can just back off from here, but like don't just close the WhatsApp. You can just back off from here, but if sometime it doesn't connect, then just don't back off. Wait for some time until your WhatsApp is open on your computer. Wait for some time.